Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here once again this week. It has been a full week for me. I'm hoping that your week has been a little slower, a little simpler. So today, um, since I did some strawberry truffles and chocolate covered strawberries for my Valentine's Day video I did just a few days ago, I decided to bake something today, but it's a little something that's a little different. It's what's called a pizza monkey bread, and it's probably one of my most favorite snacks to have around the Super Bowl weekend. Although I will not have the time to watch the Super Bowl, it's always nice to have something to snack on when I'm busy with my chores or some form of crafts that I'm trying to complete. So I'm looking forward to showing you how to do this. It's extremely easy, but it's very delicious. And I'm dipping this in my homemade marinara sauce I made this past summer that I just pulled out the freezer. So anyway, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in a little bit. Bye for now.
I really prefer to use my own biscuit dough, but as I mentioned on the top of this vlog, it's been quite a full week for me, so I just decided to use some canned biscuits instead. This recipe can be doubled, but I don't care too much for leftovers, so I decided not to do that. This will now bake at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes or so. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.